Alright y'all, so today's the day we're gonna switch the regular OEM diffuser for an aftermarket that I got from Amazon. It was around $137 with shipping included and like $10 of taxes, so roughly around $147 in total. So yeah, and what we're gonna use for this will be just a flathead screwdriver, this drill, and this 7mm socket to remove obviously the push pins right here, one right here and one all the way to the end. And for the drill, we're gonna remove this screws right here. And once you remove all 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, all you gotta do is just pull this thing off and it should be good to go. Alright y'all, so now that we removed the push pins right here and the 4 screws from the bottom, we're just gonna pull this thing off and we'll go from there. Boom, you heard that? Look at all this. Oh my goodness. Boom, disgusting. All right. Boom, right here. All done. As you can see, removed, and about to put the new one on. Alright guys, so one thing I forgot to mention is that this diffuser right here doesn't come with like pre-drill. It's just marked. And what I did for the screws, like I had to drill, I used this one right here, it's a 1/4, and for the push pin ones it has to be a little like bigger of a hole, so I used this one. It's 5/16, and yeah, so sorry, stupid planes, but yeah, I had to drill this ones right here for the push pins and the screws. So yeah, I mean, it was pretty easy. I know I didn't show the whole thing, but look at that. One last push and it should be set right here. Boom, just boom. So all I gotta do is just put back the push pins and the screws back on, obviously with the holes already drilled. And yeah, this is the final result. Alright, so fully installed, all screws back on, push pins back on. Let's get a closer look. No gaps like I've seen on other videos before. It was pretty easy installation right here. I guess you can see again, stupid planes. All the way. There you go. Nothing. Like I said, just push pins back, screws back on, all 4. And voila! It literally only took me like less than 10 minutes. That's how easy this thing is. If you guys have any questions, like I said, just comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer anything you guys have. I mean, I'll see you guys on the next one.